Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to episode 160 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Today we're going to make a homemade cherry pie, and my friends, this recipe is so simple and easy to make. It is very tasty and it'll be just like grandmother used to make. Alright, you ready? Let's go bake some cherry pie magic in my southern kitchen. Alright, in my bowl, I'm using 4 cups of pitted cherries, and we're going to add in 1 4 cups of white sugar, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of cherry extract. And we're going to stir all this together until it's nice and well combined. It's going to turn into a juice. Alright my friends, I got all my cherries stirred, and see how nice and juicy our cherries looking? That looks great. Now we're going to pour our cherries into our pie crust, and this is my homemade pie crust. I'll post a link to that video down below in the description box, or you can use a refrigerated or frozen pie crust. Don't that look good my friend? And see how simple and easy it was? Alright, next we're going to add in a tablespoon of butter cut into chunks. Alright my friends, I got all my butter on top of the cherries, and now we're going to put the other pie crust on top. Alright my friends, this is what our pie crust look like, and I cut them into strips, and we're going to lay the other strip right on there. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish putting the rest of my strips on, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I got all my pie crust strips on top, so now we're going to egg wash it, and this 1 beaten egg and 1 tablespoon of milk. And the egg wash will give it a nice golden brown color. And then we're going to add some butter cubes on top of the crust, like so. And a little dusting of sugar. Alright my friends, our cherry pie is ready to go. Don't that look pretty? Alright, so now we're going to put this baby in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 425-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for 25 minutes. And then after 25 minutes, we're going to reduce the heat to 350, and we're going to let it continue baking for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's nice and golden brown and cherries nice and bubbly. Going to be amazing. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. My friends, look at that gorgeous cherry pie, and it smells heavenly in this kitchen. Nice and golden brown, and look at those juicy cherries. Oh, my mouth's watering. I love me some cherry pie. Alright, so all we do now is let our pie cool for a few minutes, and then we'll be ready to give it a taste. We'll be back. And now for the moment of truth. Here we go. Get a little whipped cream. Lord have mercy. Oh, the cherry's nice and tender. This definitely reminds me of my grandmother's pie. This deserves another bite. Cherry-licious. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat!